Welcome back. Last video of this module. So we have designed everything and we have designed the pages. Now we need to learn how to create a post. Okay. So we have the blog page also. So what we should do is go to the dashboard and here you can see the post option. What all the posts you have already made in the website, you can be able to see all those if you click on all post. Now just as only the default post we have, other than that nothing is there in our website. So here from here also we can create add post, or from here also we can create add post. Okay, now I'm going to click on this add post. Okay, some sample post. So because this is digital marketing classes, so I want to post something about digital marketing. So the title will be your wish. I'm going to give the title as digital marketing. Okay, modules details, digital marketing details or something. Okay, so and here you are going to give the content, right? So here plus by default it is paragraph only, but if you want any other feature, then you can search from here. You will get all the features here. So first is paragraph. As I already told you, by default it will be paragraph only. So I copied from the Google from some content, but you should not do that because I'm showing you how to create a post. So I opened the Google so not to not to waste my time. So I copied this content and I'm going to paste it, but never ever do that one, right? So your website will get a copyright issue, or it will show as a duplicate content, or Google will not give importance to your website because already it was published some other website. You just copied and Google will know all those things, right? So just to show you, I have just copied that one. So I'm going to copy this one. I don't know why it is showing all these colors. Okay, so let's change the background color. Okay, then also it's showing maybe something Google copied from that website and it is not going. Okay, no problem. Or else we will change the entire background to black. Let's see. Okay, then also it is showing like that only. Okay, like okay. So now here I have copied this one. Okay, I have typed this one, I should say that one. And now this is a post. Okay, I want few more content, means modules you are going to learn or something. Okay, this at least I will type modules you are going to learn. Okay, okay, so here modules you are going to learn. So you want a list type of post, right? So then you can click on this plus. If you bring the cursor right side, you can able to see this plus icon. So click on plus. Already the list is in top most only. So in case if you didn't find that one, just type list here. List. So now here the first one is what is marketing. Okay. Next module we came to website designing, right? Next will be SEO, search engine optimization, and then social media optimization, social media marketing. I'm just giving only a few modules, and then um, search engine optimization. Already that's so search engine marketing, search engine marketing, and what else? Google My Business, Google Search Console, and email marketing, and few other models. I'm not going to type all those things, right? So this is the content. So now I want to add the images. That also you can do. You know how to add the images, right? So here somewhere I want to add one image. Again, I will show you. So here and click on image. Okay, upload image. If you want to use any image from the gallery, media, you can use that one, right? So now I have uploaded, I want to add this image. Okay, so this I want to add in the middle center, so I have added. So just I will publish and I will show you. I am going to publish. While publishing, it is showing public, or you can give private option or password protected. Just try yourself how it will look if you select private option. Already we discussed this one, and password protected, right? So I want to publish it. Before that, there is one more important thing. Where is that? Okay, wait. Yeah, this is very important, right? So now you need to, we already discussed about the categories, so which you are going to do many, you are going to write many articles. Now this is about the digital marketing, and later you are going to write about business strategies, or big brand secrets, or you are going to talk about SEO, or you are going to talk about video marketing. So you need to segregate all those topics. To segregate that one, you need to create the categories here. So now I am going to create the category here. First category. By default, every website will have uncategorized category. Okay, let it be like that. If you can able to delete that one, delete. So don't use that one. So now I'm going to create a new category. I clicked on add category. So it showed this box. So I am going to give that general topic. This is a general topic. Okay, I will give digital marketing. Okay, this is one category. Click on this category, and tomorrow you are going to post about video marketing, and you are going to post you are going to write many articles on video marketing. So in that case, you can create one category as video marketing. Okay, so I am going to create one more category, video marketing, add category. Okay, okay. Yeah. So now I will select, now I'm not going to select video marketing. Okay. So digital marketing, and then you can publish it. So before publishing, there is one more option called set featured image. I will come back and I will explain you. First, let's publish and see. Publish. From here also you can check how your post looks from front end. Okay, view post. But I want to check from the total site. View site. Okay, so this is a site, and all the post, whatever the post you do, it will reflect in blog only. While customizing the website, so we have selected that option. Homepage will be yeah, this one homepage, and all posts should be on the blog page that we have selected. I think let's check. Yeah, this is the post, and this is another, this is the by default post. Now we didn't added any cover page, so by default by default it took this image as a cover page. Generally in many themes, for a many web we have selected one theme, right? So generally in many themes it will not show any image if you won't select any featured image while posting. So it will look like that only. But this theme by default they designed like this, though sorry, they took whatever image we have added in the post, that they took as the cover image. Okay, let's add the cover image and we will see. Click on edit. Okay, now set featured image. Okay, media library. From here upload files, select files. This I am going to use as featured image. Featured image is nothing but cover image. Okay, set featured image. Okay, this is the image. Now save it. Saved. Refresh. That will take as a cover image. Whatever the image you upload, that image it will take as the cover image. We let's give one cover image for this default post also. Go back. This is a default post. Edit. Give some image as a cover image. Okay, here set cover image, media library. Okay, upload. Okay, some image, some random image. Now set featured image. Save. Refresh this website and see. Okay, so better you upload all the cover images in the same dimensions. If it is 1080 by 1080, while learning in the Canva module, you will learn all these things. Okay, if we design this one in one by one, for example, one by one, so it should be this cover page also one by one. Try to create all the upload all the cover images in the same dimension, so it will not look odd. Actually, here if the cover image of this post seems to be little less, and here it is very big, it is not looking in a professional way. So try to upload in the same dimensions. So by this video we have completed the website designing session. So let's see how our website looks now. Uh, Wait, visit site. Okay, we have uploaded the header image. This is a rough the website, but you can create little bit more. You can add some more images and some more widgets, plugins, and then you can create a beautiful website. Create pages and also contact page, give form, and if possible try to give the phone number and everything. This website is not up to the mark because the font here is something else, and while clicking on the contact me page, the font is totally different. It should not be like that. Try to use the same type of font throughout the website. It gives a very professional look. Okay, so if you have any doubts, post that those doubts wherever you get that option, and we will try to answer those questions. Thank you.